touch it.
Just get some scissors, it'll be alright.
Right, you can try and get it off, Lee, go on.
No, be careful, because it... Oh! Oh!
Oh! I can't bring it up right
You'll never go.
It's gonna rip it.
Go on, you get it.
Just pull it. Pull it off.
Pull it!
Pull it.
Ah!
See, she smiled then as soon as she knew you was in pain. Yeah.
It's really hurt. Oh, wait, seriously.
It's really stuck.
How are you going to get that off your head?
Get some cold water and pour it over your hair. It will make it all wet.
I thought it wasn't really stuck, but it is. What are you going to do?
Go to work.
Yeah.
Hello, this is a new outfit.
All black and red.
No.
Oh, change colour.
How are you going to get that off your hair?
At least you do look like an air stewardess.
Why did you put it on?
I didn't think it was going to stick. I can't get it off.
At least you got to watch, because what you're doing is you're pulling it up and putting the back of it on more hair.
Oh.
So you've got to try to... It's got to go up, directly up.
Stop, Hayley.
Just quick, like a band-aid.
No, don't pull it out. It's really
alright.
low, it's
No, you
proper
can't
stuff.
rip it.
It is actually stuck.
Put your hand through it.
Jeez. Look at her face. look at Hayley laugh.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, I know.
Go on, if I pull
Oh, no, don't put it too
Wow, your head has gone red. Look at the top of your head.
Is it red?
Look at the top, right at the top. It's got all red.
Hayley thinks it's funny.
Ow.
Anyway,
Don't make a laugh. She'll put it straight back on your head.
illustrate what you actually have to do. Get the ball and stick it to it instead of your head.
Yeah, oh, my head.